Hey beauty queens, what's going on? Today I'm going to be installing a frontal lace wig from LAVY Hair. It's 22 inches, loose wave. It is a frontal lace. I'm going to be doing a frontal lace install, and also I'm going to show you guys how you can put your wig up into a ponytail without having to glue the back down or sew the back down. And I'm going to be doing a cute little ponytail braided style in the front of the wig. So that's going to be super, super cute. And also how to get a wraparound braid by using your tracks. So you're going to get quite a bit of tips in this video. So I've done her braid down, and this is what your braid down should look like. I just want to show you guys how this lace is looking, and I haven't even glued it down yet. All I did was bleach the knots. It's already looking amazing. It looks like it's coming out of her scalp. So of course I'm going to be doing the cap method. You guys, if you're familiar with my videos, you know that I do the cap method to lay my lace, any kind of lace down. Frontal, closure, wig, whatever. Yeah, so we're going to just put the cap on, not put the cap on, put the Got2Be Gel on first. Then put the cap on, let it dry, and then you're going to remove all of the excess cap from her hairline. So while she was under the dryer, I did my stitch going across so that the cap does not move in the front. She's going to be leaving the back of the cap on. Normally I would cut the whole back of the cap off, but she wants to leave it on. So we're going to just leave the back of the cap and cut along her hairline. Now I'm going to clean her hairline with some alcohol, and I'm going to clean my hands with some alcohol because I'm going to be applying a new adhesive that I'm going to be trying out for the first time. It is called Lace Grip. I'm going to leave all of the information in the description box. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm super excited to be using this because I've been wanting to use it forever. So I'm going to apply it the same way I would apply any other adhesive that I would use. So I'm going to do 3 layers, let each layer dry clear before I apply the next layer. And then we're going to go ahead and apply our lace front. So the glue is ready. So now I'm going to show you guys. I added an elastic band in the inside, and I added 3 combs in the back. I took the combs that were in the front of the wig and added them to the back of the wig because we don't really need the ones that are in the front of the wig. So once you add them to the back, you're going to use your elastic to put your unit on, and then you're going to take the 3 combs and you're going to tuck them underneath your elastic. Now this is how I get to wear my wigs in a ponytail without gluing the back down. I never glue the back down. This is the method that I use to be able to put my wigs up into a ponytail. Pull your wig to the front and then press, and then you're gonna cut off all of the excess lace after. So I went ahead and I cut both sides of the lace. And now I'm going to lay down our baby hair. Usually, I do not do baby hair, but she wants baby hair. She has natural baby hair her own, so she wants some dramatic baby hairs. So I'm going to give her some baby hairs, and it's going to look really cute with our style anyway. So I'm just going to use some Got2Be Gel in a black bottle, and I'm going to apply a little bit, and I'm going to make some baby hair. After you lay your baby hair, you're going to just take your blow dryer on cool just to make sure that your gel is dry. Then you're going to add a wrapping strip. You can do this if you want to, or you don't have to. Like, it's not a must if you do this part. But I'm going to do it. So I'm just going to add a wrapping strip to the front while I style the wig. So I'm going to be doing one French braid in the middle and two small braids on each side of the French braid. And then I'm going to do a little genie ponytail. I'm going to use an extra braid for the wraparound so it can all come together and look super cute. So we all know that the hair can kind of get in the way and be sloppy. So I'm going to take the Sebastian Shaper and I'm going to spray the section that I'm about to braid. It's just going to control the hair. It's going to allow the hair to stay in place while I'm picking up the hair to braid it. So I'm separating the braid a little bit just to make it 3D so it'll have some height to it. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the rest of the braids and put them all into a ponytail. So what I am doing here is I'm taking a track and I'm braiding the track from the top of the track to the bottom of the track. This is what I'm going to use for my wraparound on my ponytail. So this is what it should look like. You should have a track that's going behind your braid. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it, I'm going to pin it behind my ponytail, and I'm going to begin to wrap it around. So here goes our braided up ponytail. Isn't it super, super cute? Now we're going to just take our wrapping strip off. And here's the final product. It looks amazing. I'm in love with this wig. The hair feels really, really good. The wave pattern is really, really nice. And she's super cute, so that doesn't make it any better. But yes, do not forget, this is a 22-inch loose wave wig from LAVY Hair. I will leave all of the information in the description box. And you know, follow me at BeautiiByDay on Instagram. Of course, like, comment, share, and subscribe.